Hi, here this Inteli-Touch Casablanca with the bad capacitor. I'm going to turn on power in the fan. The motor buzzes but doesn't spin. You can push the motor. It can spin constantly. You can spin constantly in other direction too. The motor responded to any button, so I had to turn off the power, on the power, reverse the fan. Do the same thing. Spins whichever direction I pushed it in. Then I'm gonna hold down fan button. And they go through 2 beeps. If a motor hums exactly the same way in both directions, then it's a capacitor issue. If it has smaller hum in one direction and bigger hum in the other direction, doesn't spin its own, it might be a motor issue. As the capacitor, you can see it's swollen. And it was partially broken before I took that part out. And it's 10UF. I want to say that it's 9UF. I want to make sure our motor is not Samsung. If it's Samsung, it's not compatible for Inteli-Touch. So you should either replace the motor or replace the board with non-Inteli-Touch board, or just convert to single or 3-speed. What I did was cut red and brown wires, and since they can't seem to connect together on their own, after I cut them, I had to add new wires, and I added the capacitor across red and brown wires, and I zip tied it to the motor housing. So now works fine. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, rate, subscribe.